Okay, go.
Hello, my name is Alex, and my mom is going to pick me a blue bird.
Okay. The first thing that we need is a question mark. I'm going to draw a question mark in the middle of her forehead. Okay? Then I'm going to fill that question mark in. The next thing I'm going to do is create feathers. This is a medium blue. I'm going to come down from the edge of her eye to create more feathers. And then fill in. Same thing on this side. And then fill in. Okay, there's about 3 on this side and 3 on this side. The next thing I'm going to do is use a lighter blue to create depth.
What's depth?
I'm going to go back and recreate my question mark with the light blue. Then I'm going to add more feathers in between the feathers that I had with my dark blue. Same thing down here. And over here. Now what creates the bird is a small triangle on the bottom of the question mark. Makes the beak. And then feathers along the edge of the head. Add an eye. It's just kind of a dash. I'm going to go in and create an outline for my bird with the black. Alex, close your eyes, please. Add a line to the top of her eye. Then glitter. I'm going to add a little dot of glitter to the eye so that it sparkles, and I'm done.
Did you do the other side?
Mm-hmm. Look at the camera. Sit forward. And turn your face this way. Turn your face this way. Say, I'm a beautiful bluebird.
I'm a beautiful bluebird and I like it.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Bye.